All right, before we go to break, we're checking in on shares of General Motors in pre-market trading after the company announced the reinstatement of quarterly cash dividends on the company's common stock at a rate of 9 cents per share. The dividend had been suspended since April 2020. GM also announced the resumption of share buybacks and increased the capacity on their plan from $3.3 billion to $5 billion. And Julie, I went back to just get a sense of the valuation on GM, and I'm sure it has caused some head-scratching moments with CEO Mary Barra and her team. Forward price to earnings multiple on GM, 5.5 times. That is just paltry. You look at price to sales, and I know it seems very boring, but it's important when you're trying to figure out a valuation on a company. About 0.4. I mean, normally you want to see companies at a price to sales ratio of 1. So GM coming out here and sending a clear signal to the market. Guys, we're coming out with a lot of electric cars. We're probably going to make a lot of money over the next decade. We're going to buy back our stock now.
Yeah, and the market is not really receiving that.
Right? I mean, if you look, it says a lot.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at and not just that, if you look at the reaction this morning in the pre-market to this news, we're giving you money back.
Yeah.
People are not so excited.
I think it boils down to this, Julie. It's just that the market thinks GM is going to have to invest billions and billions of dollars, perhaps more than they think, in rolling out electric cars, and that's going to hurt the business.
Well, and not only that, also, I think that where we are on the adoption curve raises some questions too. That there's all these big plans for the industry, and there are questions about the demand at this stage for electric versus gas-powered.
For what
cars.
it's worth, you're going to have to pull my gas-powered car out of my cold, dead hands. I need it.
You can buy a second. You can buy a second.
Yeah, I'm going to have to. I'm not going to.